So, in front of me I've got Razer Wolverine V4. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. To create and assign macro, first let's go to Razer Synapse. Let's go to macro and now tap record. Record the macro. You can select it from keyboard functions, mouse functions, and then tap stop. Also you can add commands and text functions or loop, like this. Tap save and it's done. Now let's go to Keybinds and assign macro to devices. Select your keyboard and select button you would like to assign your macro to. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.